Welcome to Math with Mr. J. In this video, we are going to be covering adding negative numbers. And as you can see, there are 4 problems on your screen. So we're going to go through these 4 problems in order to get this down. So let's jump right in to number 1. For number 1, we have -2 plus -3. And I have that number line below to help us visualize and see exactly what this problem means when we're working with negative numbers. So we start at -2 right here, and we're going to add a -3. So we need to go to the left because we're adding a negative number. So 1, 2, 3, and we end here at -5. Which is our answer. And if you think about it, if we did a +2 plus a +3, that gives us an answer of 5. Well, a -2 plus a -3, we end up at -5. So let's take a look at number 2. We have a -4. We start here at -4, and we're adding a +8. So instead of going to the left this time, we're going to go to the right. We're going to go the positive way, 8 jumps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and we end up on +4. So if we start at -4 and we add 8, we'll end on 4, which is our answer. And if you think about it, let's think if we had a temperature of -4 and the temperature went up 8 degrees, the temperature would now be a +4. So let's take a look at number 3. We start with a +8 and we add a -10, which is the same thing as subtracting 10. We're going down 10. So let's start at 8. And we're adding, again, a -10, so we're going to go to the left 10 jumps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And we end up here at -2. We went below 0. And if you think about it, if you did 8 minus 8, you'd end up at 0. But since it's adding that -10, we go 2 more below 0. So we end up at -2. This problem is pretty much 8 minus 10. Okay? And we go below 0. Again, we hit -2. So let's take a look at number 4. We start at 25 and we're adding a -14. Which is pretty much doing 25 minus 14 because we're going the opposite way. We're going to be going left on the number line since we're adding a negative. So think of it as 25 minus 14. And we would get to 11 here, a +11. Our answer went down from what we started with since we added that negative number. So there you have it. There's adding negative numbers. I hope that helped. Thanks so much for watching. Until next time, peace.